Some men go weeks, even months without any sexual activity and think everything is fine. But the truth is, an inactive penis for too long can be the beginning of a silent problem. The prostate, when neglected, reacts, and not always in the way you'd hope. Inflammations, discomfort, and even more serious diseases begin to appear when the body is ignored for too long. Many don't talk about this, but the lack of regular sex can increase the risk of prostate changes. And this isn't just a doctor trying to scare patients. It's a warning that needs to be heard and taken seriously, because yes, an inactive penis can put your prostate at real risk. I'm Dr. Sara Stewart, a urologist, and in this video, I'll show you how to keep your sexual health up to date, protect your prostate, and avoid problems that many only notice when it's too late. What you'll learn here can change your routine and help preserve your quality of life. Before we continue, check if you're already subscribed to the channel. We talk about men's sexual health with clarity, no sugarcoating, and backed by evidence. If this kind of content speaks to you, subscribe now and let me know in the comments. Type 1 if you like the topic of the video, or 0 if it didn't appeal to you. I want your opinion to keep bringing what really matters. Think of your prostate as an essential part of your body, like a filter that needs to stay in good condition for your reproductive system to work properly. When it's healthy, everything runs smoothly. But when neglected, issues like inflammation or even serious diseases such as prostate cancer can appear. The good news is that you can prevent these complications with small, consistent actions. The prostate plays a vital role in producing seminal fluid, which nourishes and transports sperm. When the prostate is healthy, it performs this function effectively. However, without proper care, inflammation can occur affecting both reproductive and urinary functions. Keeping the prostate healthy isn't just about sexual health, it's about overall quality of life. Prevention is key. Don't wait for problems to show up before you start paying attention to your prostate. Simple, ongoing care throughout life can prevent complications and ensure that this vital part of your body keeps functioning well. Keeping the prostate healthy isn't just about avoiding disease. Regular ejaculation also plays a role in this process. Think of it as a kind of maintenance for the organ. When you ejaculate, whether through sex or masturbation, you help expel inflammatory substances that naturally build up in the body. These substances, when left in contact with the prostate, can cause long-term harm. According to studies, frequent ejaculation can reduce prostate inflammation and even improve blood flow to the area. And more. A study from Harvard University found that men who ejaculated at least 21 times a month had a 31% lower risk of developing prostate cancer compared to those who ejaculated less often. This happens because regular ejaculation renews the prostate, promoting better circulation and oxygenation of the tissues, and don't think it's only sex that counts. Masturbation is also valid to keep the organ healthy, since the effect is the same: toxin elimination and improved blood flow. Maintaining a healthy ejaculation frequency is a simple yet effective way to care for your prostate and your sexual health. If you're enjoying the content and want to go deeper into caring for your intimate life, take a look at my digital book in Rediscovering Intimacy, Healthy Sexuality. After 60, I've gathered practical guidance for those who want to protect their prostate, reignite desire, and overcome limitations that come with age. You'll find the link in the first pinned comment. It's worth checking out and taking this care beyond the video. When we talk about prostate health, it's important to rely on science to guide our choices, and studies confirm that a simple yet powerful habit can be crucial: regular ejaculation. A Harvard University study found that men who ejaculate at least 21 times a month have a significantly lower risk of developing prostate cancer compared to those who do it less frequently. These findings are meaningful because ejaculation helps remove inflammatory substances from the prostate and promotes better blood circulation. Another study, published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, JAMA, also reinforces the idea that ejaculating regularly has a positive impact on prostate health. Researchers found that men who ejaculated more frequently had a lower incidence of prostate diseases and a reduced risk of developing prostate cancer. Interestingly, this benefit isn't limited to sex. Masturbation, when practiced regularly, offers the same positive effects by reducing inflammation and improving prostate health. So including frequent ejaculation in your routine can be a simple but powerful step in preventing serious illnesses. Maintaining an active sex life goes far beyond just keeping the prostate healthy. There are many emotional and physical benefits that come with it. Emotionally, regular sex can help reduce stress and anxiety. That's because during sexual activity, the body releases hormones like oxytocin and endorphins, known for their calming and feel-good effects. These hormones not only boost mood, but also help strengthen the bond between partners. Physically and active sex life improves blood circulation, which also benefits cardiovascular health. Sex is a form of physical activity, helping increase metabolism and strengthen the immune system. In addition, regular sexual activity can improve sleep quality by reducing stress-related problems and insomnia. Libido, which often decreases with age, can also be maintained or even boosted through an active sex life. The more intimacy is part of your routine, the more prepared and balanced your body stays, including the production of key hormones for general health. The emotional and physical balance that comes from regular sexual activity is fundamental to your overall well-being. Taking care of prostate health goes far beyond frequent ejaculation. Adopting a healthy lifestyle as a whole is essential to ensure the proper functioning of the body, including the Prostate A balanced diet. Regular exercise and reducing harmful habits like excessive alcohol consumption and smoking are fundamental to keeping the prostate in good condition. A diet rich in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory foods such as fruits, vegetables, omega-3 rich fish and nuts can help fight inflammation and protect the body's organs, including the prostate foods. Rich in lycopene, like tomatoes, have also been linked to a reduced risk of prostate cancer. Proper hydration plays an important role too, as the body needs water to flush out toxins and keep tissues healthy. In addition, regular physical activity like walking or lightweight training is a great way to improve circulation and maintain a healthy weight, both of which help prevent prostate issues. Physical activity also lowers the risk of heart disease and improves mental health. So keeping healthy habits in your daily life is an effective way to ensure your prostate and your entire body stay strong over time. Masturbation is still surrounded by taboos, but when we look at science and leave prejudices aside, we see that it can be a powerful ally in men's health, especially in prostate care. Just like sex masturbation helps release built-up inflammatory substances, improves blood flow in the pelvic area, and supports proper gland function. It's a safe, accessible practice that can be adapted to each person's lifestyle. For many men who aren't in a relationship or who have physical or emotional limitations, masturbation becomes a viable way to maintain the ejaculation frequency recommended by specialists. It also helps promote body awareness, improves control over arousal, and can even help reduce anxiety. Another important point is that when done in moderation, masturbation poses no health risks. On the contrary, it can be a natural tool to relieve tension and keep the body functioning well. So recognizing masturbation as a part of male sexual health is essential, especially for men looking for practical ways to preserve prostate function while taking care of their bodies. When it comes to prostate health, waiting for the problem to appear before acting can be costly. Prevention in this case, is always the best choice. And we're not just talking about medical exams, but a combination of daily actions that protect this organ effectively, including healthy habits like a balanced diet. Physical activity and stress management is essential, but it's also important to stay alert to the body's signals. As the years go by, the prostate tends to grow in size, which can affect urination and even cause discomfort in the pelvic region. Doing tests like the PSA and the digital rectal exam regularly and under professional guidance allows early detection of any changes and the beginning of proper follow-up. The earlier something is discovered, the better, the chances of treating it without complications. Another key point is maintaining regular sexual activity and ejaculation, since as we've seen, that habit also contributes to prostate health. The secret lies in consistency and balance. Prevention means taking care of yourself before any issue shows up. And when that care becomes routine, your health responds with vitality and well-being over the years. We talked about something serious here today, from the risk that an inactive penis poses to your prostate, to the importance of keeping your sex life active even as the years go by. I showed you how frequent ejaculation can help prevent diseases and how simple habits can make all the difference. This is real health, no to boss, no fluff. Now tell me, did you already know that masturbation can also help with prostate health? Or was that news to you? Leave your answer in the comments. I'd love to know if this content helped you in any way. Give it a like. Your like tells YouTube this topic matters and helps this video reach more men who need to hear this. And if you want to keep taking care of yourself and learning more, this channel has other videos about the prostate, sexuality, and quality of life after 50. Subscribe, now turn on notifications and stay up to date with everything.